Hi, in this video we're gonna talk about HTML list, okay? And list is basically how things appear on how we list our items on the web page, okay? And there are basically two types of HTML listing, and there are ordered listing, our comments, ordered uh, listing, and unordered listing. Okay, so let's start with ordered listing. The element for ordered listing is actually OL. Okay, OL, just make sure you just type the OL having the open and closing tag, and then you can now begin to list your item. Okay, to list my item, I will have I just have to type in LI and then have it open and closing. I can just say maybe list one. Okay, now we are not going to repeat our OL again, but every of our LI, which is the list, we are gonna put it inside the OL element as such. Okay, just as this. Now can I say list 2? All right, I only have one OL. I'll take it again, say it again. I only have one OL and then with its closing tag, but I can now have as many lists as I want. Okay, so I can just save this and then open with my live server, and then it shows right here. Okay, I had a live server running initially, but let me just close one. As you can see, it's now listing out line and accordingly. So probably you want another listing, you can just say just anything you want at all. All right, you say learning 10, anything at all. Just the thing is just that it will be ordered. All right, it will be ordered in my own case as this. Okay, ordered in the sense that it will have a numbering attached to it. That's for ordered listing, and the other one is for unordered listing. Unordered listing, the difference is just that instead of it being OL, it's just gonna be UL. Okay, I'm just gonna change that to from OL to UL, and just save my file, and I'll just have it. As you can see, it's going to be a bullet like instead of a number like. All right, that's basically it, and that's all I will need you to know in this HTML listing. See you right in the next episode.